Hello! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to connect Supabase with the Next.js project so you can build dynamic websites with real-time data. So first, you will have to log into your Supabase and then create a new project if you haven't already. And once your project is ready, you will have to open the project settings, which you can find on the left panel, and then just click on that, and then after that, you will have to find your unique project URL and public key. Then you will go to your Next.js project and store those credentials in your environment variables. This step makes sure your app knows how to communicate with Supabase. After that, you can start using Supabase in your pages or components to do things like fetch data, allow user sign-ins, or even create new records in your database. What's great about using Supabase with Next.js is that you can handle both client-side and server-side logic in one project. This means you can build dashboards, forms, or interactive pages without needing a separate backend. If you need inspiration, Supabase has ready-to-use examples to help you get started. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.